So I am trying to hold all of them. And yes, this is an unboxing video and I've already unboxed them. That's how excited I am. We basically have 2 daily options and we have 2 weekly options. And yes, our planners are still coming in the beautiful boxes. All of our planners come in boxes that match their planner, but I want to dive right in. So if you're new to Start, all of our Start planners have the STARTplanner system, which is the goals, the finances, the meal planning, the grocery tear-out list, the wellness tracking. All of those things are part of the system. We are so much more than a planner. All of them have monthly overviews. It's really a matter of, do you want to plan a week at a time in the weekly planner or a day at a time in the daily? There is one slight variation in the daily, so I'm going to start there. So daily, we have 2 options. We have spiral. If you don't want to think about planning and you want it to be all together, daily is 1 day at a time. Saturdays and Sundays do share a day. This is bound, ready to go, ready for you to start planning. And here is I'll show you up close, the 2027 daily. Or if you want something more customizable, this is the A5 system, formerly known as Fancy Pants. You get inserts, so you can purchase just the inserts if you already have an A5 binder. A lot of people get multiple binders to change up their colors when they get bored, but it's designed so that you put all of the monthly tabs in there and all of the planning, but you only put 1 to 3 months of daily, allowing it to be more portable and allow you to plan and customize your planning experience. If you need a lot more notes, if you need different things, that is the A5 system. Again, it's daily. Weekly, we have 2, not 4, 2 planners, and here are the weekly covers. We have a more artistic, and then we have a more neutral. So I'm gonna give a little bit more time for this. So if you're someone that wants a little bit of a bigger planner, it does a whole week at a time, so you can allocate that. This is perfect. A lot of people pair these weekly planners with a 90 days of Start if you have a business. So this is like your home, and then the 90 days of Start is your business. So that is an option as well. We always have the undated Start system in the 90 days. And then here is the more neutral. So beautiful. Like, I don't even know if I was having to choose between these 2, which 2 I would choose. So this year we have, for the 2027, just to recap again, we have A5, again, in a bunch of different colors. We have the daily spiral, and then we have 2 weekly planners. If you have any questions at all about Start or how we can help you, reach out to us at hello@startbrands.com. We are here to be your partner for 2027 to help you become the most productive and aligned version of yourself. Here's to an amazing 2027 with a beautiful planner in your hand, allowing you to be more productive. I can promise you, with the thousands and thousands of planners that are sold, with application of this system, it will and can change your life. Again, any questions, hello@startbrands.com.